Welcome to the Yaad Finance. I'm your host Shane. This is our introduction video to the channel. So this channel is an all entire online presence. I have a website, yaadfinance.com, Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter. And I'm gonna be sharing with you guys tips, tricks, and general information on how to build wealth. A lot of us want to earn money, a lot of us want to make money, a lot of us claim we want to be rich, but a lot of us really don't know the steps, the necessary steps to get there. And a lot of us thinks that just work, save some money, and we're good. But you have to understand that the economy that we're participating in is quite, how should I put it, complex. There's a lot of factors and variables that can both allow you to increase and lose your wealth. There's a lot of things that can both hinder as well as promote, help you along your way and your financial journey. And I am here to share with you guys as much as possible. So I hope you guys subscribe to the channel, like the channel. This is gonna geared mostly towards Jamaicans, both in Jamaica and abroad within the diaspora, those in America, Canada, England, And I think this is time right now because as black people, we need to ensure that we secure ourselves financially as well as secure a place on this earth where we are safe. Now you see what's taking place right now in America, the race issues are on an all-time high. George Floyd just died, Ford just died, and all of that shit. So, we need to be creating a place, a safe haven for us black people. I am always trying to encourage Jamaicans abroad to invest back in Jamaica. Whether you wish to come back here or not, you never know. You might have to come here. There's no, you might never know what might happen. You might have to come here and you don't know. So when you're in America, ensure that you're investing back in Jamaica. Third world countries are the best place to invest in because competition is low, barrier of entry to is easy. It's easy to set up a business in Jamaica. Shit, you can operate a business in Jamaica for years without it being registered and not paying any tax. At least not directly, because if you employ people and you're buying goods and participating in the economy, you're gonna have to pay some form of GCT. But you know what I mean, right? Income tax and so forth. So this Yaad Finance channel is really geared towards educating Jamaicans, my black brothers and sisters all over the world as well. Figure out and the Caribbean people, about how they can grow their wealth, how they can participate in the economy and become successful members of society. And become strong black leaders and build up their communities. Purge. Now I want to get people know that we don't have to badmine each other, we don't have to fight against each other. We all can succeed, we all can achieve and make money together. And that's the premise on which I have built this online presence, Yaad Finance. So make sure you guys subscribe, follow me on social media, and check out the website. Bye.